Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your iPhone with your iPad so the two devices can be linked up together. So what we want to do is just simply go on over to settings right here and choose this. And you have to do this on both devices, and it's going to be the same method. So just go to your name on the top and then scroll on down to where it says iCloud and choose this, and you only have 5 gigabytes of storage, so you have to sign into the same Apple account on both your iPad and your iPhone. So we're signed in the same account, and then go to where it says save to iCloud and see all, and you can choose what one you want on. So if you want to have photos synced, turn this on. That's usually the largest one, but then we got messages in iCloud and then all these other options down here. So just decide what you want synced, and then just make sure you're signed into the same account, and then the two should be linked together now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.